So are you tired of paying too much money for your car insurance? If so, you came to the right video. Hello everybody, this is Sinad and welcome to my channel where only you have the power to build your world. In today's video, I'll be introducing to you one of the best insurance companies in America right now that offers some of the best prices and some of the best coverage out there right now. So make sure you watch the video all the way through. I'll be showing you all the benefits that you will get with this insurance company. So you are probably asking yourself, what is this insurance company that's offering such good prices? And why should I give this company a try? The insurance company is called Root, and you are able to save up to 52% on your insurance. So what makes Root Car Insurance different from all the other insurance companies out there? With Root Car Insurance, you are able to get a personalized quote in minutes. And best of all, you can start your policy right away. Literally, it is so easy to do. And you can instantly adjust price levels by changing your coverage, by adding coverage, removing coverage. You can do all of this instantaneously and your price will change instantaneously. Also with Root Car Insurance, the better you drive, the more money you will save. They base your rate, number one, on how you drive. So the better driver you are, the more money you will save on your insurance. Now let's break it down on how Root Car Insurance is able to offer such awesome prices. So traditional insurance companies, they primarily use your driving record to give you a rate. But with Root Car Insurance, they use a different pricing model. They use driver's behavior. So this means if you're a good driver, you'll be able to save some money with Root Car Insurance. This is one of my favorite things about Root Car Insurance is they reward good drivers. So if you drive safe and you're a good driver, you will be rewarded with a better insurance rate. And who does not want to save some money on their car insurance? So if you want to save some money on car insurance, check out the link in the description box below. With Root, you are able to save up to 52%. Also with Root, they encourage you to compare their prices with other insurance companies. So if you think you are paying too much for your car insurance, get a quote from Root and do a side-by-side comparison of the price and of the coverage, also the deductible, and see if Root will save you some money. I have been using Root for over a year now, and I absolutely love them. I love the price I'm getting, the coverage I'm getting, also the benefits that come with the Root insurance policy. So you are probably asking yourself, what are some of the benefits that I'm going to get with the Root Car Insurance Company? Well, I'm about to give you 7 benefits right now. Benefit number 1, you are able to save up to 52% on your car insurance. Some people save less, some people save more, but you never know until you give it a try. Benefit number 2, your rate will be primarily based on how you drive. So the better driver you are, the more money you save and a better rate that you're going to get. Benefit number 3, you are able to manage your entire policy on your phone, from getting coverage, changing coverage, filing claims, getting insurance cards, all that good stuff. Everything can be done on your mobile phone. No more spending hours on the phone talking to insurance agents, none of that stuff. With the Root app, you are able to do everything on your mobile phone, and I absolutely love this feature. Benefit number 4, you are able to earn some cash with the Root app. So the way this works is very simple. If you share Root with a family member or a friend and they join under you, both of you will get $25. So the friend that joins under you gets $25 and you get $25. It is a win-win situation. And if you have a lot of friends, you'll be able to get $25 here, $25 there, and hopefully pay for your insurance every single month. Benefit number 5 is you are able to file a claim in 3 minutes. The way this works is by using the app on your mobile phone. You just open it up, press file a claim, take some pictures with your mobile phone. Everything can be done on your mobile phone. Filing a claim, 3 minutes. Awesome benefit. Benefit number 6 is you will get free roadside assistance with every policy. So if you join Root, you will get free roadside assistance. So if you get stranded on the road, your car stops working, and you need a tow truck, the Root Car Insurance Company got you covered with free roadside assistance. This is an awesome benefit, especially if you live in an area that gets a lot of rain, a lot of snow, and you get stranded a lot. This is a benefit you must have. Benefit number 7, you are going to get free Lyft credits on selected holidays. So the way this works is very simple. On selected holidays, Root Car Insurance will give you free Lyft credits. So if you need to take a ride somewhere, you can use Lyft and it will be paid for, which is absolutely awesome, especially on holidays. If you do a lot of travel, this can come in very, very handy. So those are some of the benefits that you are going to get with Root. There are a ton more benefits. If you want to check them all out, the link will be in the description box below. This is my favorite insurance company right now. They offer some of the best prices, best coverage, best deductibles, and some awesome, awesome benefits. So if you're young, you want to save some money on your car insurance, check out Root. Also, if you feel like you're paying too much money for your car insurance, you got to take 3 minutes out of your time and get a quote from Root Car Insurance. That is all it takes, and you could be saving a ton of money on your car insurance. Root Car Insurance is growing very fast simply because they offer such awesome prices and great coverage. Last year, they won the Smart Money Award for saving people up to 52% on their car insurance. Also with Root, you are able to pick any coverage that you want. You can pick state minimum, liability, full coverage, anything that you want. Personally, on my Lotus Elise, I have full coverage, but on my Chevy Cruze, I have liability, the state minimum. This is where I get the best price for both of my vehicles. But you can get state minimum for both vehicles, liability for both vehicles, or full coverage on both vehicles. This all depends on what kind of coverage you want. Alright everybody, there goes a quick little video on one of the best insurance companies this year. So make sure you check it out, get a quote, see if they can save you some money. All the money that you save, you can put it towards other things like investing for retirement, investing in the stock market, buying real estate, all that good stuff. The more you save, the better, and it takes 3 minutes, so make sure you check it out. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button. Also share the video with your friends, this way they can save some money on their car insurance as well. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.